Welcome back to our channel, food lovers. Today, we have an exciting culinary adventure planned for you as we explore the world of Chinese pancakes. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover some unknown facts about these delicious treats. Chinese cuisine is renowned for its diverse range of flavors, and one dish that stands out is the Chinese pancake. These pancakes come in various forms and are an integral part of Chinese cuisine. Today, we'll be taking you on a journey to explore the fascinating world of Chinese pancakes and uncover some lesser-known facts about them. To truly appreciate Chinese pancakes, we need to start with their history. Chinese pancakes have a rich culinary heritage that dates back over 2,000 years. They were initially created during the northern and southern dynasties in China. In the beginning, pancakes were made from millet, which was a staple crop at the time. Over the centuries, the recipe evolved, and wheat flour became the main ingredient. Chinese pancakes are not just a popular street food, they also hold cultural significance. In Chinese cuisine, they are commonly associated with the Spring Festival, also known as Chinese New Year. These pancakes are an essential part of the festive celebrations and symbolize good luck and prosperity for the coming year. Now that we know the history, let's explore the different types of Chinese pancakes. The most famous and widely known type is the Jianbing. It originated in northern China and is a popular street food breakfast option. Jianbing is a savory pancake made with a batter consisting of wheat flour and mung bean flour. It is cooked on a large griddle and filled with various ingredients like eggs, scallions, cilantro, and a tangy sauce. Another type of Chinese pancake is the Cong, which translates to scallion oil pancake. This pancake is made by rolling dough with chopped scallions and oil, resulting in a flaky and flavorful delight. Cong can be enjoyed on its own or served as an accompaniment to other dishes. Lastly, we have the Jianbing, a deep-fried pancake. Unlike the previous two types, Jianbing is crispy and often filled with ingredients like meat, vegetables, or sweet bean paste. It's a popular choice for those seeking a satisfying crunch. Fun facts. Now it's time for some unknown facts about Chinese pancakes that will surely surprise you. Fact 1. Did you know that Chinese pancakes were traditionally cooked on a hot stone slab? It's fascinating how ancient cooking techniques have shaped our culinary traditions. Fact 2. Chinese pancakes are not just a savory delight, they can also be enjoyed as a sweet treat. In some regions of China, pancakes are made with a sweet filling, such as red bean paste or lotus seed paste. Fact 3. Chinese pancakes are not limited to China alone. They have gained popularity worldwide, and you can find variations of them in other cuisines, such as Korean scallion pancakes and Japanese okonomiyaki. And there you have it, an introduction to Chinese pancakes and some unknown facts about them. These versatile treats have captivated food lovers for centuries, and now you can recreate their deliciousness in your own kitchen. Whether you try the Jianbing, Cong or Jianbing, be prepared to embark on a culinary journey filled with flavors and textures that will leave you craving for more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food adventures.